In manufacturing, sorting parts, packing, and packaging have always been challenging tasks. Having too many similar-looking parts can easily lead to mix-ups, forcing workers to check manually, which is both time-consuming and prone to errors. With Woodsoft Packing Manager, the operator simply scans a barcode. The system instantly displays full information about the order code, product name, and the list of related parts. From there, they know exactly which order this part belongs to, where it should be placed, and how it should be handled, without the need for manual checking as before. At the same time, the system tracks the status of each part, from production through packaging and delivery, making it easy and accurate to manage the entire product lifecycle. As a result, the workflow becomes clear and consistent. Every part is correctly identified right from the start, minimizing mix-ups, shortening processing time, and increasing overall efficiency. Here is how it works on the operator interface. Step 1. Sorting parts by product. When the screen displays the number 2, the worker understands that the part in hand needs to be brought to pallet number 2. These parts need to go to pallet number 3. After scanning all the parts and placing them on the pallets as instructed by the software, parts belonging to the same product will be grouped onto the same pallet. Step 2. Packing. The software displays the estimated weight, for example 5.2 kilograms, along with the quantity and weight of each item in the package. It also shows the locations of drilling, routing, and edge banding, so workers can promptly detect any defects, such as missing edges, missing drill holes, etc. Once enough parts have been collected for a package, the user scans the code to confirm. Then they scan a QR code to preview the label. The label displays a list of the contents and weight of each package. At the construction site, the installers look at this label to know which package to open. Quickly scan the QR code twice to print the label. This label is then affixed directly onto the package. Workers can now operate entirely with a wireless barcode scanner, without needing to use a mouse or keyboard. The software will issue warnings if the scan includes too much or too little part, or parts that are not belong to the project. Finally, the software prints out the packing summary sheets, detailed reports for each category, such as beds, wardrobes, and an overall report for the entire project.